Screen signal line. Host signal line. Connecting the screen to the host signal cable. Insert the data cable into the chassis hole. There are corresponding screws on the four corners of the chassis and screen. Place the screws in the four corners. Use the wrench in the accessory bag. Tighten the four screws. Install the left handle bracket. Install the right handle bracket. Place the handle on the bracket and connection RF with machine. Place the handle on the bracket and connection code hammer with machine. And connection PTT with machine. Place the handle on the bracket and connection bar with machine. Installing the frosting head. Connection diamond dermabrasion with machine. Connection spray with machine. Connection small bubbles with machine. Connection phase ultrasonic with machine. Connection eye ultrasonic with machine. Connection scrubber with machine. Install the lamp tube. Connection high frequency with machine. Installing suction head. Connection Hydra Dermabrasion with machine. When removing the handle, first, press down the black round cap, then pull out the hose. Connect the power cord to the micro needle. Install the needle. Connection micro needle with machine. Complete installation. Before operating the machine, please check the connections. Click Hydra. Set the time and choose a bottle with liquid. Click Start to begin. Turn right to increase suction. Turn left to increase water output. Touch back to adjust the proper pressure. And then click Start to begin dead cells remove treatment. Turn right to increase suction. Connect the tubing and vacuum pan. Remove the diamond dermabrasion first, then replace with vacuum pan. Press and hold the small hole on the vacuum. Turn right to increase suction. Click Spray and Star. Click Bio, and then adjust the model and intensity. Click PDT, adjust energy and mode, and then touch Start to begin PDT treatment. You can choose the different channel. Click ultrasonic phase. Adjust mode and intensity and click Start. Click ultrasonic high. Adjust mode and intensity and click Start. Click the scrubber. Click and hold on the switch of the scrubber for several seconds. Adjust energy on the handpieces. Click the DR pen. Click the button on the DR pen to start treatment. Rotate the pen head to adjust the microneedle. Click the RF. Adjust mode and intensity and click Start. Click the small bubbles. After use, replace the water bottle. Spray foam until clear water is sprayed. Touch cold hammer. Click Start and wait for about 10 seconds to begin cold hammer treatment. Click High Frequency, then click the Start. Turn right of the knob of the high frequency. Click Small Bubbles. Inject the bubble to the face and push the bubbles away to make a deep clean of the face. Choose the Hydra. Click Start. Set the time and choose a bottle with liquid. Adjust the water level and vacuum from the knob. Begin Hydra Dermabrasion to remove the black and white head. Clean the hair follicle. Touch vac to adjust the proper pressure. And then click Start to begin dead cells remove treatment. Choose Spray and Charge Start to begin spray treatment. Supply nutrients and moisture for the skin rapidly. With special spa oils will be better. Click the scrubber. Then click the Start. Begin deep cleaning. Applying contact gel to the face firstly. Click Bio, and then adjust the model and intensity. Click Start to begin with face lifting treatment. It can reduce and eliminate fine lines and wrinkles. Click Cold Hammer, and click Start to begin cold hammer treatment. Calms and soothes, promotes circulation. Reduces dark circles and bags under the eyes. Apply essence to dope in the facial skin. Click Ultrasonic Face. Adjust mode and intensity and click Start. It can also eliminate the aging cells and discharge toxins to reduce wrinkles. Click Ultrasonic Eye. Adjust mode and intensity and click Start. It can soften and massage the skin cells, accelerate the metabolism and activate the skin cells, and help absorb nutrients. Click High Frequency, then click the Start. Turn right of the knob of the high frequency. It can remove surface spots, acne and treat black spots. Click the DR pen. Rotate the pen head to adjust the microneedle. And click the button on the DR pen to start treatment. Firstly, apply the face mask. Click PDT, adjust energy and mode. And then touch Start to begin PDT treatment. You can choose the different channel. Choose VAC, and then click Start to begin. It can make our pores more cleaner, and also massage our skin when working. Adjust the proper pressure.